Hello, Anyan.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Anyan?
I'm good.
Okay, very good. Are you okay now?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Because last time you were sick, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened to you?
Mm.
What happened to you? Why were you sick?
Why? Because it's very cold.
It's very cold. Okay, that's why you were sick.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So how are you feeling now?
I'm good.
Okay, very good. So did you go to school today?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's begin our class for tonight. Oh, okay. So our lesson for tonight is, can you read it?
Unit 23. The world
Okay.
around you.
Again.
The world around you.
The world around us. The world around us. Okay, very good. So now, Anin, what do you think is picture number 1 all about?
Map. I see a map.
Okay. That is a map or a picture of a country.
Country.
Okay. All right. So may I ask you a question, Anian? What country are you living in? Hmm?
Mm.
In what country do you live in? Okay, wait a minute, Anian. Okay, wait a minute. There's a yellow box on my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so here again, Anian, in what country do you live in?
Yeah.
In? Where do you live in, Anian?
I live in Vietnam.
Okay, you live in Vietnam. Very good. Okay, so how about the second picture? What is it?
The island.
It's an island. Okay, so what do you mean by an island, Anian?
Hmm.
What do you mean by an island?
The mini coconut.
Hmm? What is an island?
And many coconut.
Many coconut. But where can you see an island, Anian?
I see. Hmm. White sand. White sand.
Okay, but where is an island located?
A sea.
In the sea. Okay, that is correct. In the sea. Okay. So an island is located in the center or in the middle of the sea. Okay. So it
Yeah.
is a small land in the middle of the ocean. Okay. So have you been to an island, Anyan?
No.
Oh, you do not, you were not able to go in an island, Anyan?
No.
Okay, but is there an ocean near your place?
No.
Okay, so it's far. It's far from
Yeah.
your house. Okay. So here in the Philippines, Anyan, you know what? The Philippines consists of thousands and thousands of islands.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Philippines is not just one land. It consists of 1,000 islands. So we have a lot of beaches here in the Philippines. Okay. So next
Yeah.
picture. What's this, Anyan? What is that?
I don't know.
You can guess. You guess what is this place or this picture?
I don't know because
Okay, this place is called forest.
forest.
Okay, so what is a forest?
In island.
Oh, a forest is on the island? No. So what can you see in a forest?
No.
Okay, a forest, that is a place which has a lot of trees, big trees, and a lot of different kinds of plants, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so next one, what is this picture?
A countryside.
Okay, it's in the countryside. And then what do you call that place?
A pool.
That's not a pool.
A lake.
Okay, very good. That is a lake. Okay, so what can you say about a lake, Anyan?
I see fish.
Okay. Many fish. And then what is being surrounded by the lake? What can you see around the lake?
Many trees.
Many trees. Okay, very good. So have you been to a lake, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you do in a lake?
I fishing.
Okay, you have fishing. You have done fishing.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So how about the second picture, Annie? And what is this place?
A jungle.
Jungle. Okay, now what can you see in a jungle?
A tree.
Tree. Trees?
Tree.
Okay, and then what else can you see?
A
Bird.
animal.
Oh, wild
Many animal.
Okay, there are a lot of wild animals in the jungle. So, Anyan, what is the difference between a jungle and a forest?
They have many trees and animal.
Many trees and animals. Okay, very good. So, have you been to a jungle, Anyan?
No.
Not yet?
No.
Okay, next one. What is this picture?
A mountain.
In the mountain. Okay. So, you know what? Here in the Philippines, we have a lot of mountains. How about you in Vietnam?
A lot too.
Oh, there's a lot too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Very good. So, have you been to a mountain?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now, how about this picture? What is this? So, in the previous page, you saw a lake, right? How about this one? What is this?
A tree.
Again, what is that?
I don't know.
Okay, that is a river. Okay, yeah, that is a river. So, what is a river, Anyan?
On the jungle.
Okay, you can see a river in the jungle. Okay, and then what else can you do in a river?
Mm. Mm. Go picnic by the river.
Okay, very good. So you can go on a picnic beside the river and you can also swim there and also you can wash your clothes because
Yeah.
because the water in the river is flowing. So it means the water in the river is clean.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. What is this, Anyan? What's this place?
Stream.
Oh, again, what's that?
Stream.
No, that's not swim. Oh, it starts in letter W.
I don't know.
That is can you read it?
Waterfall.
Okay, waterfalls. So you know what, Anian? A waterfall, you can see that at the end of the river. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because, for example, here is the river, right? Here is the river. So at the end of
Yeah.
the river, there is a waterfall at the end because the water are falling at the
Yeah.
end of the river. That's why it's called waterfall. You know what? It's very nice to swim there or take a bath there because the water
Yeah.
is very cold and the water that's flowing in the waterfall is very good for your back. It can massage your body. Okay,
Yeah.
how about next one? What is this?
Hmm.
What do you call that?
River.
Again,
Hmm.
it starts in letter W.
War.
Yes, very good.
War.
That picture is a world. Okay, so now let's have activity A. Draw circles around the things that you can see in the picture. Okay, so wait a minute, Annie, and teacher will just go to the restroom, okay? Wait for me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. So draw circles around the pictures that you see, that you can see. Okay, so can you encircle the words on the boxes? Okay, so the first one is a farm. Can you see a farm in the picture? Okay, can you see a farm in the picture?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you do you know how to put a circle on the picture, Anian?
Yeah.
Okay, can you encircle the picture of a farm? Oh, next one. How about the picture of a grass? Encircle it.
Yeah.
Okay, how about the clouds? Encircle the cloud.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Encircle the picture of a field.
I don't see food.
Ah, okay. How about an island? Have you seen an island?
No.
How about the moon?
No.
How about flowers? Is there a flower?
Okay.
Where?
I
Oh.
don't see.
How about a jungle? Can you see a jungle there?
Yeah.
Encircle it if you can see a jungle.
Yeah.
Okay, next is a waterfall. Encircle it. Okay, next is rocks. Okay, next is stars. Is there a star there?
No.
Okay, last one is plants. Encircle the picture of plants.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So this is a picture of a grass. Next is a jungle or plants. Okay, next is a waterfall. This one is a rock. Okay. All right, so now, Anyan, you're going to color an object, okay? So it says here, read the sentences. What things in the picture are they about? Okay, so where do you think are the children, Anyan, based on the picture? Where do you think are they?
They in the countryside.
Yes, maybe they are in the countryside. Now, okay, we have here a few words that you have to answer, okay? Number 1, people like walking or climbing up these when they are on holiday.
No.
What do you think is this place? You have to tell me the answer.
The people.
People like walking or climbing up these when they are on holiday. Where do people climb up?
Walking.
In?
Climbing.
Yeah, where? Where do they climb?
In a mountain.
Okay, in the mountain. Number 2, you can swim and sail here, but it is not a river or a sea.
A lake.
Okay, that is a lake. Next, there are always lots of trees, animals, and birds here.
Is jungle.
Jungle or a forest. Okay, number 4. You find these on trees and plants. They are color green, red, yellow, or brown.
Is jungle.
Yeah, you can see these things on the trees or plants. What do you call that? It's color green.
Yeah,
What is it?
jungle.
Okay, answer is leaves. Okay,
Is.
not jungle. Okay, number
Yeah.
5. People live in houses here. It's smaller than a town.
A village.
Very good. A village. Number 6. Go outside in the day. Look up and see this. It's big, hot, yellow, and round.
Is sun.
Okay, the sun. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you got 5 points. Very good, Anyan.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's have activity letter C. Listen and color and draw. Okay, so,
Yeah.
okay, Anyan, you have to listen, all right? And then you color the objects that you hear. Okay,
Yeah.
let's
Yeah.
begin.
23C. The world around us. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. Would you like to color this picture?
Yes, please.
Can you see the boy fishing?
Yes. Can I color his hat?
Okay. Make the boy's hat yellow.
Right. I'm doing that now.
Can you see the yellow hat? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw.
Now, find the rocks in the picture.
Right. I can see them on the ground.
Color the biggest rock purple.
Okay.
Can you see the waterfall?
Yes. Shall I
Okay, so the first one, color the waterfall. What is that again? Okay, let's listen one more
Right.
time.
I'm doing that now.
Can you see the yellow hat? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw.
Now, find the rocks in the picture.
Right. I can see them on the ground.
Color the biggest rock purple.
Okay.
Can you see the waterfall?
Yes. Shall I color it?
Yes. Have you got a blue pencil?
Yes. Here it is.
Good. Color the waterfall blue.
Okay, color the waterfall blue, not red.
Yeah. Yeah.
Finish?
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
What can I do now?
I know. Can you see the mountains?
Yes. There are 3 mountains.
Draw some snow on their tops.
The picture looks good with snow in it.
There are 3 fish.
Okay, so draw a snow on top of the mountain.
Yeah.
Finish?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
Snow on their tops.
The picture looks good with snow in it.
There are 3 fish in the water.
Yes, I can see them. They can swim really fast.
I know. Color the smallest one.
What color?
How about orange? That's a good color for a fish.
Good idea.
Okay, so color the smallest fish orange.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that orange or red?
Orange.
It's orange. Okay. Next one.
Right. What now? More coloring?
Yes. Can you see the houses?
There are 2. Which one shall I color?
The nearest one. But only color its roof. Use your red pencil.
Okay. I'm coloring that roof now.
Well done. The picture looks great now.
Okay, so color the roof of the nearest house red.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us see. So let's have some questions here before we check your answer, okay? There's a waterfall in the picture, yes or no?
Yeah.
Next, the girl is fishing, yes or no?
No.
No. There are some flowers at the bottom of the mountain, yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, next, the weather is sunny.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so 4 points.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us check the answers. So the rock is color purple, correct? The waterfall is color blue. The fish is orange. The roof is red. Okay, very good, Anyan. So now let us look at here. Now, draw one more thing in the picture and color another thing. Okay, so now, Anyan, I want you to draw, okay? Okay, so Anyan, can you draw a flower beside the girl or next to the girl?
Next to the girl.
Okay, wow, that's very beautiful. Okay, next one. I want you to draw again. Okay, draw a bag in the girl's arms or girl's shoulder. Okay, draw a bag in the girl's arm or in his shoulder.
Yeah.
Okay, finish. Very good. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so now let us have another activity right here. Okay, so all you have to do is read and cross out the wrong words. Okay, so let's
Yeah.
do it like this. So you read the story and then tell me the correct answer, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start.
Jungle. Jungle cold or hot
What?
and
No, no,
dry
no, no, no,
or
no.
wet.
Let's do it like this. For example, jungles are hot and wet places, okay? Okay, so let's begin
Yeah.
again.
Jungle jungle cold and wet places.
Okay, wait a minute. Jungles are
Hot and wet places.
okay.
They are very green. Could
Okay.
be it often carefully
It often
rains there. A lot of flower plants and animals live in jungle.
okay.
They are big because sometimes you can
Again.
find
There are big.
they are big river in lot of jungle. Be careful because sometimes you can find crocodiles in some and then
Okay.
many people who live in a jungle have their home next to a river or a waterfall because they need water.
Okay. Next.
People often go up or down the river by boat.
Okay, continue reading.
Rivers are like roads in a jungle.
Very good. Good job, Anion. You got 8 points. And one mistake only. Very good. That was so
Yeah,
impressive. Okay, next one.
yeah,
Why do you think jungles are color green, Anion?
because jungle have many trees.
Okay, because jungles have many trees and plants. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, next question. Where do people live in jungle?
because because they need water.
Yes. So they live next in a river because they need water. Okay, next. How do people travel from one part of the jungle to another? Where do they ride?
I don't know.
Mm. So you said that in the jungle there is a river, right? So how do they travel?
eh,
What do they ride?
hmm, they will by oh
Boat. Very good. By boat. Okay, so now let's have this activity. Write G or J to complete the words and then say the sentences. Okay, so can you read the words now?
game glass gold
Okay, so what letter is it?
letter G
Okay, very good. How about next one? Okay, can you read this sentence?
there are some green grapes
Mm-hmm.
in glass grandma's garden.
Okay. So all of these words start with letter G. Okay, so how about this one? Read the words again, Anya.
Jump, giraffe, mm, yell,
Geography.
geography,
Okay, again, read the words again. Jump,
jump, giraffe, yell,
geography.
geography.
Okay, very good. Okay, do jump and giraffe start with the same sound? What do you think, Anyan? Jump, giraffe. Do they sound the same?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So they both sound as j. Can you say it? J. Yes. So here are some words that has j sound. Okay, so the first one is cage. Can you say it?
Change,
Next is engineer.
engineer,
Okay, very good. So now, can you read the sentence that has j sound?
hills, giraffe enjoys vegetable and jungle juice.
Okay, that's correct. Jill's giraffe enjoys vegetables and jungle juice. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so well, anyway, Anyan, I will give you a homework, okay?
Yeah.
Your homework is prepare 10 words that has j sound, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so you write it in your notebook and then and then you're going to read it on Friday. Okay, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, so good night, Anyan. See you again on Friday.
Good night, teacher. See you again.
Goodbye.
See you again.